Step 1. Set out post spacing. The slats are designed so that posts sit at 1800 mm centers. Cut slats to size for smaller runs and ends. If root fixing below ground, excavate 300 mm deep holes for the 900 to 1200 mm posts, or approx 600 mm for the 1800 to 2400 mm posts. Mark the post at ground level. Top tip, wrap or tape the post to protect against splash when pouring your postcrete, and ensure the slotted channels follow the fence direction, i.e., for a continuous run, end of run, or 90-degree bend. Mix and pour your postcrete or concrete like so, and ensure the posts are square and level while it cures. Follow manufacturer's guidance on curing times before continuing to the next step. If fitting slats to existing concrete posts or walls, our adapter U-channels can be screw-fixed accordingly. For above-ground or bolt-down post installation, fix flange plate base to level ground or pad with 4 suitable fixings. Ensure the screw tab doesn't impede with the slats. Check level and adjust if necessary. Once satisfied, slide over the post and secure through the tab with self-drilling screw as shown. Once secure and level, cover the ground fixing plate with the base plate covers like so. Now time for the footer channel. Cut to length if necessary and fix L brackets to each end. Slide into the channel between 2 posts. Check level and secure with self-drilling screws directly into the posts. Step 6. Slot in your composite fencing slats into the channel. Push firmly so the tongue and grooves sit tightly and repeat until you reach near the top of the posts. Spacer channels or decorative panels can be added for visual effect. Finish with the header channel and L brackets. Slide cover sleeves into any unused channels and repeat steps continuously, maintaining a string line for accuracy. For aluminium fencing, once your chosen post method is secured, start by sliding a spacer piece into the channel, check levels, and then secure with self-drilling screws on both posts. Continue to alternate between spacers and aluminium fencing slats. Top tip for added visual effect, mix 100 mm and 50 mm high slats, or consider a decorative panel near the top of the fence. Secure the final spacer with self-drilling screws and repeat for all fencing sections. Finally, apply top post caps by pressing firmly into place to finish, and consider an aluminium gate for pedestrian access. The same method can be used to install both sleek composite and aluminium fencing of varying heights like so, and enjoyed for years to come, maintenance-free.